In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with charts in Google Forms, whether you're summarizing survey results or preparing a presentation. The built-in charts in Forms and the deeper options in Google Sheets make visualizing your data quick and reliable. Let's walk through it together. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google Drive. In the top right, click the App Launcher, sometimes called the waffle menu, and choose Forms. This takes you to your Forms dashboard, where you can open the form you want to analyze. If you don't see your form, make sure you're in the correct account or use the search bar to find it. Inside your form, switch to the Responses tab. This is where Google Forms automatically summarizes your results. If you don't see much yet, it may be because there aren't enough responses. As responses come in, Forms generates visual summaries for many question types like multiple choice, checkboxes, and linear scales. Scroll down the Responses tab to view the auto-generated charts for each question. These summaries are perfect for a quick read on trends. When you find a chart you want to reuse, click the three dots in the corner and choose Copy. That places a clean image of the chart on your clipboard ready to paste into a document, slide, or email. Some charts also show a dedicated copy icon. Clicking that works the same way and can be a little faster. After copying, just paste where you need it and you're good to go. If you want more control over your visuals, you can create charts in Google Sheets using your Forms data. Back in the Responses tab, click the green Google Sheets icon. You'll be prompted to create a new spreadsheet or link to an existing one. Choose what fits your workflow, then open the linked sheet. In Sheets, highlight the specific data range you want to visualize. Selecting the right columns helps you tell the story clearly. For example, pick the question column and the timestamp or any relevant categories. With your range selected, go to Insert, then Chart. Sheets will create an initial chart and open the chart editor on the right. Use the chart editor to fine-tune your visualization. You can switch chart types, edit titles and labels, adjust colors, and configure axes. As new responses arrive, your linked sheet and charts will update automatically, keeping your visuals current without extra work. That's it. With these tools, you can quickly capture insights in forms and build polished, customizable charts and sheets whenever you need more detail.